All right, well, here we are on the bench. This is just a Elliot's Extras video. I'm chatting to my mate Ecto on the main channel, and he had a question about the EEVBlog multimeter that we're looking at here, which is the BM2257. Now, he wanted to know about whether the reading was jumping around for me or not. And as you can see, I'm getting a steady 10.43 mega ohms here on this reading at the moment. I'm using some cheap BNC to alligator clipped, and I've got the 1 meg, the 10 meg ohm resistor left over from yesterday's project. So I happen to have a 10 mega ohm resistor spare. What I will show you though is if I knock the cable, look at that reading. It's jumping around 10.4, 10.5, 10.3. So knocking the cable seems to affect the reading, but if you leave the cable just to go still, then the reading settles down to a very steady value. I think also that electromagnetic noise in the room may affect the reading. Let me just move. I'm physically moving. I haven't bumped anything, but when I move my body, look, the reading changes a little bit. So it seems like there's some sort of electromagnetic radiation in the room that my body is affecting, because if I move around, the moving changes. But if I sit still and don't touch anything, then the reading goes steady. So yep, this was just for my friend Ecto, to let him see how the meter is behaving for me on the 10 meg resistor. So that's everything. See you next time.